If you wanted to use back tap gestures on POCO F7 Pro, then first of all we need to go to settings, scroll down in the settings and choose additional settings, and then here we want to go to gesture shortcuts where we can find the back tap option over here. Here we can set up these back tap gestures. We have two options. We can double back tap to trigger an action or triple back tap. Of course we can use both as well. So for example, for double back tap I'm gonna set up the silent mode. So now we need to simply tap with our finger, and we can tap somewhere over here as well in order to trigger the selected action. Sometimes you need to tap it quite firmly. There we go. And let's tap again. You might need to get used to it. There we go. It definitely works, but you might need some practice in order to figure out how to actually properly make it work. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!